we have running, so just leave it open for now so it's easier for you guys. Alright, so rack operators, leave your diver open. So you got 5. Open up 5 at the top for the pneumo. Just leave 5 and 3 open. Okay, when you guys are controlling their pneumos, the pneumo supply is what's going to push air to their pneumos. Okay, that's what you guys are going to be driving the bus with. Okay. When I tell you guys to, or when they ask you to restore their pneumos, you're going to restore their pneumos to approximately 40 feet of seawater on that depth gauge. Okay, when they ask you to increase the pneumo pressure, increase it to between 70 and 80 feet of seawater. Okay, got it? All right, neck dams. Let's grab the small. Grab the small piece.
I don't think I have a small neck. You really think I have a small neck? Let me think so.
It feels a lot better than close.
You might have to assist you a little bit with the neck dam. Give it a go. Try it.
It's kind of out there, like I can see it.
Your hair's going to get all fluffy.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to push it down at least.
It feels like
Coke, do you mind grabbing that neck dam just so we don't actually step on it since she's going to be using the small? Just hold on to it for this this iteration. Thank you. Okay, tenders, once they're fucking with the neck dams, grab the hat in your left hand, grab the umbilical in your right hand. Make that loop of love. Base port should be going behind you. Make sure that base port is going behind you. Present the loop of love, have your divers step in and clip in. I'm going to say put it on the deck so it doesn't trip himself. There you go.
feels like once it's all forward, but I don't know if that.
Okay, see how it is cocked? No, it's not cocked anymore. Okay, drop the umbilical. Okay, see how his carabiner is cocked? No good, we don't like that. Butt cocks.
What are you guys doing?
The only way that you're going to fix that is by undoing it. So it's what's called side loaded right now. So undo it. Lock. You need to make your carabiner look like her carabiner right there. Undo it, take it off. There we go. Alright, there we go. Now we're in business. Okay, first thing that we're going to do, tenders, turn that hat so they can view the side block. Make sure all of those fittings are nice and tight. Make sure those comps are tight so we don't lose comps. Make sure your free flow and your EGS are closed. Okay, once we're happy with the outside of the hat, tenders, present the inside of the hat to your diver so they can inspect the oral nasal mask. Open up that yoke. Hold your hands on the yoke. Open the yoke. Open the yoke. Tender, hold on to that yoke so it doesn't hit your diver in the face. Alright, divers, inspect everything on the inside of the hat. Just move these to the proper position. Take that internal chin strap, loosen it if you need to. Make sure that the oral nasal mask is there. Mount it on the regulator mounting nut. Make sure that that one-way valve is in the correct position, opening inward towards your face. Make sure that microphone is in the correct position, fully seated in the oral nasal. Make sure, what else are we making sure? Make sure that that NCD pad is in the correct position too. It's not upside down. Alright, once you guys are happy with the inside of the hats, go ahead and grab that female NQD on the right pocket. Give it a little whip to make sure it is not accidentally routed around the pocket of the harness. Grab the pigtail, the male end nipple. Okay, do not let go of that QD. Give that walking collar a 180-degree spin. Once you put it on, hold on to it. Reach back with your left hand. Crack your bailout bottle so the pressure equalizes. Once it equalizes, all the way open, quarter turn back as fast as you can. Okay, before we go any further, double check the pressure on your SPG. You're gonna like that cutie. It's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, if we're good there, now we're gonna route our pneumos. You're gonna route your pneumos the way that I want you to, up through those two D-rings. Up through those two D-rings. Okay, we're gonna go down to the chest strap, down to the belly strap. Make sure you pull all that slack out so you do not have a bite in the pneumo. doing that. No, get it out of there. Just leave it alone. Don't touch it. Don't even look at it. Fuck, it doesn't exist. It doesn't. Fuck right off. Alright, so take your right arm on the inside of all of those hoses. Grab the side block of the hat. Okay, with your left hand, reach up, grab that yoke so it doesn't smack you in the face. Tell the tender you've got the weight. Straight up, straight down. Hands off once you say he's got the weight. Look back, make sure that your diver is not getting that umbilical fouled. Nope, hands off the hat. Make sure that the umbilical is not getting fouled on their bottle or on the harness, so go behind them. Divers, wiggle it around, make sure that it fits comfortable. Tighten that internal chin strap. Take that internal chin strap, tuck it out of the way. Okay, when you're ready, call for your main air to be restored. Please restore main air. That's not what you said. Okay, trust but verify. Free flow purge button. Free flow purge. That's your EGS. Okay, you're good. Grab that tab on the neck dam. Get it in the front of the swing tongue catch and pinch, pinch, pinch all the way around the side. Good?
Hold on. She's not able to get it. Your hair. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, tell her all stop. Tell her what's wrong. She can't hear what you're saying. Hey, the neck dam's open. It's your hair. I'm gonna touch your hair, okay? Tuck it in. So just say, hey, I'm gonna touch you. Okay, so I'm gonna get your shit out of the way.
I'm touching you.
I'm gonna touch you in your naughty spot.
There you go.
Okay, so you've got a lot of hair, so it's just going to be kind of is what it is. I'm going to try to make sure it doesn't get caught in that O-ring, but it's just kind of there, okay? Okay, so I'm going to kind of help you a little bit, right? Alright, make sure you're fully seated with that O-ring, okay? Once that O-ring is all the way seated, tell them to close that yoke, lock the pull pin.
Go ahead, close the yoke.
Once she's fully seated, same thing. Make sure she closes that yoke and also the pull pin. Good.
Close the yoke.
Okay, and once they have that yoke closed and all those pull pins locked, I want you guys to go ahead, put their gloves on, then do a tender check, and then call for a supervisor's check. Distraction. Distraction. Did you do a tender check?
No.
Suit check.
Did you do a tender check?
No.
To include checking the neck pad. That neck pad needs to be adjusted. That's why you guys have those number 3 Phillips head screwdrivers in your back pocket.
What's like the tension rule of thumb?
What's the rule of thumb?
You should be able to put a hand in between the back and the padding.
Just like that. Thank you. Did you check every single thing? Question, did you? Topside, dive for 3, breathe in on bailout, pressure reads, please restore me in air. Bailout.
Topside, backside, before main air for bailout.
Main air secure.
Dive for 3, main air restored.
Secure EGS and ventilate, ventilate.
Topside, breathing on bailout.
Who are you?
Topside, diver 5, breathing on bailout. Pressure reads 300.
You want your main air restored?
Topside, restore main air to diver 5.
Tower 5, main air secure. Secure EGS and ventilate. Ventilate.
Okay. Pneumo. Call for your pneumo drill.
Topside, diver 5. Topside, this is diver 3.
You can help him. Do you have a packer? Don't stick that in your ass. What are you supposed to say?
Restore.
Topside, diver 5, restore pneumo.
You are not diver 1.
Dive for 3, pneumo pressure increased.
Did you secure his main air? Pneumo pressure increased. Main air secured. Ventilate, ventilate.
Main air secured, pneumo pressure increased, ventilate, ventilate.
Watch that LP gauge.
Diver 5, pneumo in my hat, please increase pneumo pressure.
Dive for 3, secure your bench.
Tower 5, pneumo pressure increased. Main air secure. Ventilate. Ventilate, ventilate.
Watch that LP gauge. When your LP gauge, LP reads 0. Did you secure main air? Don't be a liar. Don't tell her main air secured. If it's still restored, secure air.
Dive for 3, main air restored, ventilate, ventilate.
And that gauge reads 0. What are you supposed to tell her?
Tower 5, secure your bench.
Dive for 3, pneumo secured.
Okay, opens. Opens first. Then swing open that yoke and the neck down. Don't touch him.
Topside, diver 5, please restore main air.
What is? Next.
Diver 5, main air is restored.
Ventilate, ventilate.
Ventilate.
Why did you secure a pneumo? Did she ask you to secure it? Nah, she's already out. She's already got it out. If she does not tell you to do something, don't do it. Because if her main air wasn't restored and you close that, she's not breathing anymore. Okay, they secured it early.